was held by Ms. Asavari Kulkarni. It was a 10-session workshop. We learned various things such as ISO, how to use the manual settings. Then we learned various types of photography such as portrait photography, nature photography, food photography, artificial smoke photography. Then we learned how to use a diffuser, how to use a reflector for portraits, what lenses to use when shooting different objects or humans, etc. etc. So it was a very interesting and fun workshop. We learned about the composition in photography, that is the rule of third, or what you call the Fibonacci. Then we learned about the various timings and how to understand natural light, taking portraits in natural light, etc. Then how to use shadows to create artistic effects. So it was a very informative workshop, and here are some of the pictures.